Daily home practice completely changed my English. You know, when I look back at the time when I could not express myself in English, I smile. Not because it was easy, but because that struggle became my greatest teacher. There was a phase in my life when I stayed silent in conversations because I was afraid of being judged. I had so many thoughts, so many ideas, but I could not find the right words to express them in English. I remember sitting quietly while others spoke confidently, and I used to think, maybe English is not for me. But one day, I asked myself a simple question. If others can speak, why can't I? That one question changed everything. I realized it was not about talent or luck. It was about daily practice. It was about the small efforts I made every single day at home, away from classrooms and language institutes. I did not go to an English-speaking school. I did not join expensive English courses. I built my English from my own room with nothing but curiosity, consistency, and courage. Every morning I made a promise to myself. Today I will learn one new thing. And that one small promise slowly turned into a powerful journey of growth. Let me tell you something important. English is not just a language. It is a skill, and every skill grows with repetition, patience, and passion. I started with listening. Yes, just listening. I watched English motivational videos, podcasts, and speeches every day. Not to understand every word, but to feel the rhythm, to catch the tone, to hear how confidence sounds. I did not try to memorize sentences. I just allowed my ears to get familiar with the language. At first, it was difficult. I did not understand much, but I kept listening. And slowly, my brain started picking up patterns, phrases, and expressions. I started understanding without translating. I started feeling the language. Then came the next step, speaking to myself. I did not have anyone to practice with, but that did not stop me. I became my own speaking partner. I stood in front of the mirror, looked into my own eyes, and talked. Sometimes about my day, sometimes about my dreams, sometimes about random thoughts. And that mirror became my classroom. I realized something very important. Speaking English is not about perfection. It is about expression. It is about speaking without fear. I made many mistakes, but I never stopped speaking, because every time I spoke, my tongue became stronger, my voice became clearer, and my confidence grew little by little. I also started writing one paragraph every day. It could be about anything. How I felt, what I learned, what I was thankful for. This simple habit improved my grammar naturally. I did not memorize rules. I lived them. I understood how sentences connect, how ideas flow, and how words create meaning. At night, before sleeping, I read aloud. Yes, I read English books, articles, or blogs out loud. This improved my pronunciation. It trained my mouth. It helped me understand sentence rhythm. These habits may sound simple, but together, they changed everything. They became part of my daily life. I did not wait for motivation. I built discipline. There were days when I did not feel like practicing. There were days when I felt stuck. But I reminded myself slow progress is still progress. And I kept going. I started watching English movies with subtitles. At first, I depended on them. Then slowly, I stopped. I began understanding naturally. That is when I realized practice changes everything. I surrounded myself with English, my phone language, my music, my social media. Everything became English. Because the truth is, you cannot grow in something if you are not surrounded by it. It does not matter where you are. You do not need to go abroad. You just need a strong desire and a daily routine. Every morning, I practiced for just 3 minutes. Yes, only 3 minutes. I described what I saw. There is a cup on the table. The window is open. I can hear birds. That small habit trained my mind to think in English. And once you start thinking in English, speaking becomes easier. There is one more secret. Do not chase accent. Chase clarity. You do not need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to be understood. I also recorded my voice. Yes, I recorded myself speaking English. It felt strange at first, but it helped me improve. I could hear my mistakes. I could correct them. And I grew faster. Slowly, my hesitation disappeared. The fear of making mistakes went away. I understood that nobody speaks perfect English. Even native speakers make mistakes. So why should I be afraid? Confidence does not come from knowing everything. It comes from using what you already know. Today, when I speak confidently, I remember those small moments. Talking to the mirror, writing daily, listening while doing simple tasks. Those small efforts changed my life. So if you are sitting at home thinking you cannot do it, listen carefully. You can. You can become fluent. You can express yourself. You just need to believe in daily practice. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Watch something in English. Speak one sentence. Write one paragraph. Read one page aloud. Do it daily. Your English will not change overnight, but day by day, it will grow. Like a seed becoming a tree, you will notice the change. You will understand movies. You will speak without translating. You will even start thinking in English. And one day, you will look back and smile. Because English is not about where you studied. It is about how much you practiced when nobody was watching. Let people laugh. Let them correct you. Every mistake is a step forward. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need perfect books. You need consistency, confidence, and curiosity. Remember this: consistency beats intelligence. If you practice daily, even for a short time, you will improve more than someone who studies once in a while. It is not about how long you practice. It is about how often you do it. Make English part of your life. Speak it while cooking, walking, or cleaning. Write your notes in English. Read signs in English. Talk to yourself in English. Make it fun. Make it natural. Make it yours. Do not compare your journey. Everyone learns differently. Some are fast, some are slow. But what matters is you do not stop. There is no shortcut. There is only one path: daily practice. When you practice alone, you are building a strong foundation. One day, people will see your confidence and wonder how you did it, and you will know the answer. Small daily habits. So start today. Speak even if you are nervous. Write even if you make mistakes. Read even if you do not understand everything. Listen even when it feels hard, because every small effort improves your English slowly and beautifully. And when the day comes when you speak without fear, you will realize everything was worth it. You did not need a big school. You only needed determination. And maybe one day you will inspire someone else. You will say, "I learned English at home with daily practice." So do not wait. Start now. Your journey begins today. It is not about perfection. It is about progress. It is not about speaking like others. It is about speaking as yourself. It is not about how much you know. It is about how much you practice. Every day matters. Every word matters. Every effort matters. Keep going. Keep believing. And one day, your English will become your strength, not your fear. Because one small habit done every day can truly change your entire life.